Alright, y'all, so I just want y'all to know that it's March the 15th. This video was recorded like December 20th something. My mirror was really dirty and my ends was horrible and my flat irons was trash, so I didn't really want to post it, but somebody told me to post it, so I'm gonna post it anyway. But this video is like 4 months old. My flat irons are really old, like 10 years old, so they didn't really straighten my hair like that. And my ends was trash, so, and my mirror dirty, so don't tell me anything that I already know. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be straightening my hair. I know that's so crazy, but a surprise because, like, when do I don't use heat on my hair ever since my big job. I've had not straightened my hair in over a year. So this is going to be crazy. What I started off, I did a hot oil treatment with grapeseed oil and coconut oil. I left it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. I rinsed it out, I washed it out, and then I shampooed my hair with Cream of Nature shampoo. I'll put a picture somewhere. And then I used the ACV apple cider vinegar rinse to cleanse my scalp. And then that's when I did the matching conditioner. I left that on, took my shower, and then I did a deep conditioner by Shea Moisture. I don't remember the name. A hot oil treatment, shampooed, and conditioned and deep conditioned, and so now we're here. If I look a little raggedy, it's because I did a turmeric mask last night, so my skin is a little bit yellow. I found a way to get it off, but not all the way. And then I use Carmex, and Carmex always breaks me out on the side of my lips or somewhere. Anyway, I put Carmex, it always breaks me out, so I'm suffering the consequences of not listening to my body right now. Hopefully, it looks like it's about to pop any minute, so hopefully it's gone before Christmas. Christmas is in 2 days, so Sunday. Yeah, so now I'm going to start off. I'm going to blow dry my hair. Then I'm going to straighten it and everything else. But I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing first before I even blow dry my hair. This is the line. I'm using a whole line, I guess. It was unintentional, but this is what I had. So the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just going to shake it up, wake up the nutrients, and I'm going to spray it. Okay, I'm not going to spray it because the spray bottle is broken. So we're going to just try to put this in my hand. Woo, baby. I don't want to fall so fast, but I'm open. Okay, put a little bit more because it just smells so good, y'all. Oh, it's all on the floor. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking, oh my God, Cream of Nature should definitely sponsor me. I'm going to be taking my Cream of Nature, same thing, but it's the Heat Protector Smooth and Shine. And I'm going to pour a little bit of that because this is an oil and I do not want my hair to be weighed down. And I'm going to just rub this all throughout my hair. One thing with this stuff is it like does not leave my hair oily. Now the conditioner is very heavy, but I mean like it's the conditioner, so. But this stuff does not leave my hair oily. Now, I know this may seem like a lot, but I'm just going to spray my Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protecting Spray all throughout my hair. And the reason why this also smells so delicious, y'all, it reminds me of summer. When I used to straighten my hair all the time. Or just blow dry it all the time. It smells delicious. And I'm going to make sure that I get it everywhere in here. And y'all might think that this is a lot of stuff going in my hair. But you got to think, it's all lightweight products. And it's not really a lot. The reason why I'm doing all this is because I big chopped because I had heat damage. And I only straightened my hair like twice that year, and my hair does not like heat at all, which hence why I really don't use it. I might blow dry my hair like if I'm getting braids or something. But other than that, I do not use any type of heat on my hair, my natural hair. Because my hair just does not like heat. It does not take heat well. And I do not big chop and come all this way for nothing. So we're going to take all the precautionary measures that we can. So usually when I blow dry my hair, I like to section my hair off. Actually, you know what? I'm going to add a little bit of vitamin E oil. This is only because after I blow dry, it's straighten. I feel like if you add all of this stuff before you blow dry, your hair gets less oily. I'm going to take my whatchamacallit on high heat, high speed, and we're going to get it done. Now I'm getting on to the straightening part. This is my hair blow dried.
about you. Everything about you. About